First of all, look at this YouTube channel. It has 4.23 million subscribers. It has uploaded only 206 videos, and you can see how many views it has. 3,356,631,005 views. That's an insane number of views. You'll be shocked when you see it. This channel is also monetized, and you can check that most of its videos have millions of views, with some crossing many millions. I'll show you its income now. I'll copy the channel name or link, open Social Blade, and paste it there. You can see that the channel is monetized and its income ranges from 6.9K to 111K. You can also create an AI channel just like this, which can be monetized too. If you're new, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like the video, because I keep bringing tricks like this. I'll also give you prompts that you can use to make your own videos. First, open the YouTube channel. If you find a character you like, copy it and use the snipping tool to crop the image. Do the same for another image and save both. After that, open ChatGPT. Once ChatGPT is open, upload the images here and type your message.create prompts for the images given. Above, ChatGPT will create prompts for you based on this. You can see how good the prompts are once they're generated. Now that the prompts are ready, copy them and save them in a file. After that, open ChatGPT again, paste those prompts here, and write your message. Now use these 3 prompts to create a 150-word AI story. ChatGPT will create an amazing and interesting story for you. You can take as much of the story as you like, depending on your needs. Next, write your next step or continue from here. Now please give me 7 image prompt in detailed, so ChatGPT will create a detailed image prompt for you. It will make a perfect detailed prompt for this short video, one that fits your content perfectly. Now, it's time to create the image. I'm going to use Leonardo AI because it's an amazing website for creating AI images. So first open Leonardo AI and set the size, then type Fox 1.0 after that, paste your prompt, and in a few moments the image will start generating. Keep pasting your prompts one by one until all of them are done. Once the images are created, you'll see how awesome they look. This is how you can easily create AI images. Using this website, just copy the prompts from ChatGPT and paste them here one by one. And when you find an image you like on Leonardo AI, you can download it right away. Leonardo.ai is an advanced AI image generation platform that lets users create stunning, high-quality visuals from simple text prompts. Designed for artists, designers, and creators, it enables you to produce concept art, game assets, posters, and both realistic and fantasy-style images in just minutes. Powered by cutting-edge AI models, Leonardo.ai delivers highly detailed and customizable artwork. It also includes features like style consistency, upscaling, and editing tools, making it perfect for both creative professionals and passionate hobbyists. All the images have now been created, and as you can see, they look absolutely amazing. The results are stunning. The images look so realistic and impressive, truly incredible work. Next, we're going to create an AI voice for free using a tool called Unlimited AI Text-to-Speech. It's one of the best tools for generating high-quality AI voices. And the best part is, it's completely free to use. You can also create free AI images on unlimitedai.tools. But right now, I'll show you how to generate a voice. If you can't find the tool, just leave a comment and I'll share the link with you. Once you open the AI text-to-speech generator, simply copy your ChatGPT prompt and paste it there. Then select any voice you like. There are plenty of options, but Blaze Alex is one of the best. For this example, I'll just select any random voice. After that, click on Generate. Remember, it can generate up to 1,000 words at a time. So if your script is longer, you can split it into 4 parts to make a complete voice. And now the voice is ready. You can listen to it right away.
Between Realms, a surreal 3D animated landscape blending the classroom and candy world. Floating desks.
This is how you can easily create your own AI voice. Now, let's move on to making the AI video. To create AI videos, I'll be using 2 different websites. With these 2 platforms, you can easily make AI videos every day. Just use these sites, and you'll be able to create 1 video daily without any problem. The first website is called Digen.ai. It's an amazing platform for creating AI videos. It gives you 300 free credits when you sign up, which is enough to make around 10 videos. After that, it also provides daily free credits so you can keep creating AI videos easily. Right now, as you can see, I have over 4,200 credits in my account because I've been logging in regularly. That's why I can make a lot of videos using this site. If you want to create more AI videos, Digen.ai is one of the best websites for you. The best part is, even if you don't use it for a few days, it still keeps adding daily credits automatically, just like it does on my account. Now we're going to create an AI video on this platform. It's a really great website for generating videos. First, click on Create, then go to Upload and upload your first image. After that, paste the prompt for the first image and click on Generate. The video will start creating automatically. Do the same for the second image. Upload it, paste the related prompt, and click Generate again. The process takes a little bit of time, but that's completely normal. In this way, you can create 2 videos at the same time. Within about 10 to 15 minutes, your AI video will be ready. The second website is called Pixverse.ai, and it's an excellent platform for creating realistic and cinematic AI videos with ease. When you sign up, it gives you 120 free credits. Previously, it only offered 80 credits, but now new Gmail logins receive 120 credits. With these, you can easily create around 6 videos. After that, Pixverse also provides daily free credits which allow you to make up to 3 videos per day. Overall, Pixverse.ai is one of the best tools for creating high-quality AI videos quickly and effortlessly. Now, click here and upload your first image. Then paste its prompt and start generating the video. It costs 20 credits per video. Once you click Generate, the video creation will begin. And as you can see, the video has already been made. Next, upload another image, paste its prompt, and start generating again. This is how you can keep uploading images and pasting prompts one by one, and your videos will continue to generate automatically. In this way, you can also create videos for free on this website. Now the AI video has been created, and it looks absolutely amazing and impressive. For the final step, I'll use CapCut to edit the video. CapCut is an excellent software for video editing. It's easy to use, completely free, and packed with features like filters, effects, music, and transitions. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. Here, I'll add my video, apply some effects, and do a few final touches. And now my video is fully ready. As you can see, it looks amazing. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions related to this video, feel free to message me or leave a comment. I'll reply to you there. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Next time, I'll bring another amazing method for you. Thanks for watching.